So guys, it's a beautiful day. We're driving this particular car, the KUV 100, where this is a crossover vehicle, mini crossover vehicle, and it fights the likes of the Renault Kwid, which is the main competitor in this particular segment. Now, power is derived from a 1.2 liter engine petrol that produces 61 kilowatts and 115 Newton meters of torque sent to the front post courtesy of a 5-speed manual transmission. It's very easy. It's synchromesh, and you're able to switch these gears very easily. Now, obviously, when it comes to stability, power, and control, it's very important. Up front, you have McPherson struts, and at the back, you have a trailing link suspension, which keeps this car planted on different surfaces. Safety-wise, you do have anti-lock braking system for your active features, and obviously, you do have ESP, which is standard across the range. Now, everyone is making ESP a standard so that you and your family remain safe from harm's way. In case all hell breaks loose, then you can rely on the multiple airbags on this particular vehicle. You have a steady crumple zone, and obviously you do have a safety cell that dissipates impact energy from away from the passenger cell. That's it. Let's talk about the interior of this particular car. The dashboard has been designed to face away from the driver to give an illusion of space and comfort. You do have interesting texture finish. It looks like carbon fiber finish, the look of it. And obviously you do have a piano black finish right at the middle of the center console. You do have a console that has a multi-touch display that houses a climate control, radio, and you're able to connect Bluetooth, your phone obviously, stream something from USB port, and obviously listen to radio. And the system is not too bad, it's not too shabby. Obviously you do talk about space, it's a practical car. It sits 5 people comfortably. A lot of headroom, which is important. I've noticed Mahindra cars have a lot of headroom. Legroom is fantastic. Big Boy, as you can see, is very comfortable. The seats are supportive, and you can drive this car on a day-to-day long distance. And obviously on the instrument binnacle, clear and precise, the Maruti way, you're able to see all the critical elements, and the dials light up in a bright crimson hue. There is satellite buttons to control, obviously, the navigation system on the telephone, and obviously you do have enough luggage space to carry your veggies, your shopping, your luggage from the market, or if you're traveling for a short vacay, this particular car is the one for you. Ladies, I'm speaking to you. So comfortable, so practical, plenty of cubby and spaces. You do have mirrors on the sun visors as well, and obviously you do have good sitting and viewing angles. It's nippy enough, you can traverse into parkings, fit into tight spaces, and the steering is so light, you're able to control this car very, very easily. Mahindra have actually raised the bar. I'm telling you, I'm in India and I've seen the level of quality, the workmanship, the craftsmanship. I can tell you it is at par with any other OEM. Ford, Toyota, they are up there, even maybe surpassing them. I've noticed noise, vibration, and harshness in all the cars that I've tested today. It's very, very good. Signing out, this is Big Boy Trev, live and direct from Pune in India, sampling the Mahindra KUV 100.